Check this out, guys. We're gonna go over this ramp. Kind of like a seesaw, right?
Alright, you feel the floor shake?
We'll swing it back around. Waiting for some of these guys to pull on up. We're gonna come around and go over that. They always do this every year. Dodge was doing it, Jeep was doing it, Ford was doing it, or they still are. But you know, it's always that copycat thing. And look at that Ford Bronco going up there on that cliff. That's a bad lander.
Yeah, we got a hydraulic. How do I know where to stop? I can't see.
And if you can see real good, he's showing that display in there when they go up a ramp like that. You can't see. They got the camera up front of the vehicle to give you an indication of where you're at as far as height or whatever's in front of you can't see. See, we get another one of these to come through. She went up that thing pretty fast, didn't she? So there's another one coming. Now we're gonna walk on down because they're going up to that bigger ramp up there for more of an incline.
Needs to have. It says that.
I love it when they go up this thing. We are just gonna make our way down here a little bit. See if we can catch the next one coming in. Yeah, here we got one now. You get to see the front end of that. I'm starting to like this Ford Bronco more and more, guys. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. All right, guys, later.